this afternoon. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much, Councillor Kingi, and good afternoon, members of the public and staff and members of the press if they're listening to online, and online audience out there in the wide world. Such a beautiful day in Taupo to add to the agenda. It's going to be in the confidential section. It's regarding the Cyprus Capital Limited mediation. So just if I could have a mover for that to be accepted into the late agenda, moved by Councillor Rankin, seconded by Councillor Boddy. All those in favour, please say aye. Against all, otherwise a full table. Welcome back, Councillor Hickling, from your international duties. Nice to have you back. Could I have a mover, please? Thanks. Move Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Stewart. All those in favour, please say aye. As against, carried.